Okay, now at this stage, it's a good idea to go ahead and set up your YouTube channel. Now, these are the dimensions for channel art, which is basically like your header image, so similar to your cover image in Facebook, but the dimensions are a lot bigger for the YouTube header. So this time you're looking to create an image of this size here, 2560 by 1440 pixels. And the safe area within that image, that means that when people are looking at your channel on mobile devices, the area that you want to make sure you have all the text and any logos within is 1546 by 423. So that would be the center. So you're going to have an actual image that's 2560 by 1440, but the 1546 by 423 in the middle of that image, that is the area where any text and any logos, that's where they should be. All the important parts of your image should be within that safe area. Otherwise, for the people viewing on mobile devices, there will be certain parts of the text or the logo or the important things on your image will be cut off for those viewers. Your profile pic, which is called the icon, called the YouTube icon in YouTube, this will be 800 by 800 pixels. Now the rest of this we're looking at later when we look at uploading and optimizing videos, but for now we're just looking at the channel art and the icon or the profile pic. You can do both of these in Canva. Now Canva does have YouTube channel art, and this is the right size, and this center area here is the safe area, but I don't recommend you use any of Canva's pre-made templates. You really want a unique image for your channel art. Even though you can change the text here and that kind of thing, you're still going to have this design, this pre-made template design. Much better to have your own unique one. Basically just use custom dimensions, enter your dimensions here and create it like that from scratch. Same with your profile pic or YouTube icon as it's called. Now when it comes to setting up your channel, you don't need me to go through that with you because it's laid out step by step here on the help page, basics about your channel. Now it does say here, if you aren't able to follow these instructions, it's because you are probably using an old version of YouTube and you need to update to the current version of YouTube. You'll be able to then follow these instructions to create your channel, add your channel art, add your profile picture, and add a channel description, maximum length 1000 characters. So if you go ahead and do that now, unless you already have a YouTube channel, in the next lesson though, we are going to look at how to optimize videos when we upload them. So I'll see you there.